Hi everybody, this is Jameson. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do some unboxing of the Teraflex Nomad wheels, and I'm also going to install the TPMS sensor. Today we'll be using a 27mm wrench, the TPMS sensor install tool that I got from Amazon, and of course the TPMS sensor. If you find this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So here's the box. I think Teraflex does a nice job boxing these up. I just don't think UPS handles them very well. So there are some problems with the box itself. Big holes. So it comes with some kind of sticker, good instructions. Comes with the deflator valve. There's the part number. And this is to cover your fill-up. Like I said, the inside of the box is pretty nice. And there it is. Okay, first things first, I'm going to pull this cap off of the tire inflator. That's where your TPMS sensor is going to go in. It's got an O-ring on there, so there's no need for any type of paste or Teflon or anything. So it just screws in. Like I said before, 27mm. It basically stops on its own. And the other one's your tire deflator. I'll probably make another video of how this works, the Allen key, and how you can set it to a certain PSI. Throw that on now. Okay, like I said, those basically go in until they basically stop spinning. There's no torque spec on these. Okay, next we're going to put the TPMS sensor in. Here's the part number on that. You guys can see that, the one I used. Here it is. Pull the cap off. Undo the screw that holds the sensor on. This is a Torx 10. And it's got two flat parts on it. You want to make the flat parts, I guess we'll say perpendicular to the wheel. Then we have our trusty tool, which all things disclosed, I tried to do this on another one and I broke the stem off. The angle that it tries to pull it in is a little off, so I had to find something to help with that. Okay, I have the tool all the way screwed into the valve stem, and the problem I had before was the angle is quite weird. So I'm going to use some dish soap on there. Hopefully that helps a little bit. Try and keep those flat surfaces perpendicular with the wheel. I had this little piece of plastic I had laying around trying to get a better angle on this. There it goes. It's not easy. I don't know if it's just a cheap tool I bought or what, but the angle, see, the angle doesn't want to hit that, so it binds on it. That's why I'm trying to use something in there, but that works. Just unscrew it. Put the sensor back on. It wants to be pretty much like that. Throw the cap on, it's got the cap port. And last but not least, the center plate. So you also want to line the center plate up so it's straight across with the Teraflex down the middle. So you can screw that up, I suppose. I don't know if anybody would notice. Five screws. They supply you with the Allen key. I'm not sure what size it is. These are nice wheels. I got these right from Teraflex. These are the deluxe. They come with the shreader valves. $314. I think that TPMS sensor was like 30 bucks. And that tool I got off Amazon I think was $10. I'll put the links to all that stuff below. Okay, that's it. She looks nice. I'll do another video on the how we can set this to 15 psi or lower. I don't know if you guys can see the ridges they put on these, the bead grips. It's one of the reasons why I got these and not bead lockers. Okay, that's it. Like I said, if you like this video, please subscribe and like the channel. Thanks everyone.